What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. We are unboxing the latest Hot Wheels K-Day case. This is a case of 36 cars, and it is possible that we will find a super treasure hunt. I'm really hoping so. So let's go ahead and pop it open. We do know that there is some really cool cars in here, including the brand new color variation of the Lamborghini Aventador Miura edition. And what else do we have in here? We got lots of other cool stuff in here. You guys got to see this. Let's go ahead and pop it on open. I'm excited. I'm so excited. All right. We're not gonna look. We're just gonna leave it like that. We're just gonna pull some cars out, and we're gonna see what we have inside of here. We'll open up some cars as well, so you guys can see some cars opened up today. We'll open up the Lamborghini for sure. There we go. We got the Skull Shaker. We got the Corvette C7 Z06, and we got Winning Formula. We've seen these ones in the recent Q case. Let's go ahead and pop these ones open. We've got the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor Custom 67 Firebird and Audacious. I like the white on the Audacious. All right, let's put those ones aside. What else do we have in here? We have got Embosser, and we've got the Tesla Model X, a brand new color variation, Cruella de Vil, mainline variation of Cruella de Vil. Put them down aside over there. What else do we got in here? We've got the Bone Shaker, shaking those bones. There it is. Tooligan, brand new color variation of Tooligan 52 Chevy. Very, very nice. Put those ones aside. What else do we have up here? Oh, boom. There it is. Brand new color variation of the Lamborghini Aventador Miura Homage, and we got the white Lamborghini Countach pace car. We're not wasting any time. Let's go ahead and pop open the Lamborghini Miura Homage Aventador. I love this car. One of my favorite castings in Hot Wheels. Check it out. That color looks fantastic, amazing, beautiful. Oh, I love the gold wheels as well. Check it out from the front and the top. We've got so many different color variations of the Lamborghini Aventador, but we can never have enough. It's a fantastic, amazing, awesome looking casting, and I hope to see more color variations of it. I've heard hints that this might come in the black colored variation in the Miura Homage, but we'll see. Love it. I literally bought this case just for this car. This car is so awesome. Love it. All right, we got two of them. One we'll keep closed. What else do we got in here? We got the Hot Wheels High. We got the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600 and the 2010 Pro Stock Camaro. Are we gonna get a super? I don't know. I'm hoping so. What else do we got? We got the Ford Focus RS Hot Wheels Art Cars. Check it out. Check out the side of this. You know what? Let's just go ahead and open this up. I haven't got one of these opened up. So we'll open up this Focus RS for the art cars. I'm loving the new art cars. I think the detail on them is fantastic. Check it out. Check out the detail on the side of that. That is crazy what they've done with these art cars. Check out the front as well. Wow. That is awesome. Check that out. Awesome grille. The wheels, I didn't even notice the tires are a different color as well. That is awesome. Okay, impressed with the Focus RS art cars. I just love the new art cars. I can't say it enough how much I'm liking these new art cars. What else do we got in here? We've got the Rip Rod, new color of the Rip Rod. We've got the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster, the green color, and the King Cuda. Ooh, what do you guys want to see me open up? Let's open up the Rip. Oh, I'm juking you guys. We'll open up the Aventador or the Reventon. Ooh, I'm mistaken. I'm so excited for the Aventador that I'm calling the Reventon an Aventador. All right, we got the Rip Rod. We'll open up that first. Let's see the Rip Rod. Very cool color. Liking the chrome on the back there. Very popular casting in. If you guys haven't seen the video where I went to the Hot Wheels Legends tour, they had one of the Rip Rods there in real life. A real life Rip Rod. Very, very cool. All right, and check out the Aventador. I'm calling it Aventador again. Oh my gosh, the Reventon Roadster. There it is, the Reventon Roadster, guys. That is a very cool looking car. I've already opened one up previously on my videos, but you know what? You guys might have missed it, so let's open up another one. There we go. Reventon Roadster. Look, I got the name right this time. Reventon Roadster in the green colored variation. Love this casting. Love it. Love the green. They came out with this very similar green on the P1 recently as well. It looks awesome. Love it. All right, let's put that aside. What else do we have in here? Boom, 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 boom. We got the Eruption. We got the Fandango, and we got the Teed Off 2, the little golf cart, the very, very fast little golf cart. What else do we have? We've got the 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab, new colored variation. Love this new color. Already opened one of these ones up previously. We've already raced it. 2018 Ford Mustang GT in the red colored variation. GT. We had that one in blue originally. Now we got the red. And what else do we have in here? I'll leave those two. Okay, we got the Chevy Blazer 4x4. That's a new color as well. We've seen a lot of new colors of this. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. I don't have this color variation of it. And what is this? It's kind of like a reddish brown. I don't even know what to say this is. 50 on the side, maybe for the Hot Wheels 50th anniversary. That's what I'm assuming. Gotta assume that. All right. And the 64 Impala art car. I love this car. We already opened one of these up on the Q case, so we're not gonna open up another one. Fantastic car. If you guys don't have this car, get it just for the paint job on there. Check out the tampo on that. Wow, so much detail, so cool. What else we got in here? All right, we got another one of the Blazer 4x4s. We got the HW50 concept, got several of those already. Throw those ones aside. We've got the 68 Mercury Cougar in the yellow. I like that. Crate Racer as well, new color variation. Let's open up these 68 Cougar here. I'm liking this yellow color variation. The Champion on the side. Goodyear. It is a good year for Hot Wheels, is it not, guys? Smash that thumbs up if you guys think it's a good year for Hot Wheels for the 50th anniversary year. It's been a fantastic year. Loving the year for Hot Wheels this year. All right, and lastly, we got a 68 Impala. I'm just missing all the names today. 68 Mercury Cougar, another one. That's the only one. So no super treasure hunt from this case, but you know what? Doesn't matter. Highlight of the case right here. We gotta love the Lamborghini Aventador, and top it off, I gotta give the respect to the Reventon Roadster as well. Two fantastic new color variations of Lamborghini. If you guys liking these Lamborghinis and you loving the new color variations, make sure you smash that thumbs up. Throw some comments down below. Let me know how you guys feel, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you very much for watching this one. Peace. Thanks, Big Timers, for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.